problems in a Zena marriage. In our fast-paced world, where societal norms and values are constantly shifting, understanding the consequences of starting a marriage through unlawful means is crucial. A Zena marriage, one that begins with a relationship based on illicit intimacy, often carries significant challenges that go beyond personal struggles. It affects trust, spiritual well-being, social standing, and even the future of children born into such unions. In this video, we will delve into the core issues that arise from Zena marriages, exploring how these problems impact not only the couple but also their families and society. From trust issues and spiritual consequences to the burden of societal stigma and the future of their children, we'll cover the essential aspects that shed light on why these marriages face so many obstacles. So, if you're interested in understanding the profound effects of Zena on relationships and want to gain insights into how to navigate or avoid such situations, stay tuned. 1. Trust issues: the foundation cracked. When a relationship begins in secrecy or is rooted in sin, the very foundation of trust is often compromised. In the shadows of deception, where honesty should be the bedrock, doubt and suspicion take root. Partners find themselves constantly questioning each other's loyalty, intentions, and even the authenticity of their love. What starts as a thrilling escape from the norm quickly becomes a breeding ground for insecurity and paranoia. The secrecy that once felt exhilarating now looms as a constant reminder of betrayal. If lies were told to be together, what stops those same lies from being used against one another? This nagging thought creates an environment where trust cannot thrive, and instead, fear of infidelity and dishonesty reigns. Partners may begin to hide more, afraid that their true selves might not be enough, or that the other is keeping something even darker concealed. In such a relationship, every argument becomes a trial, every disagreement a potential unraveling of the bond. The cracked foundation struggles to support the weight of love, and without trust, the relationship is doomed to crumble. True love and lasting commitment can only flourish where transparency, respect, and honesty are the pillars. 2. Spiritual consequences: a path to ruin. Engaging in Zena fornication or adultery has profound spiritual consequences that reverberate far beyond the physical act. The immediate pleasure is fleeting, but the spiritual and emotional scars it leaves can be long-lasting. Feelings of guilt and shame often consume the heart, creating a barrier between the individual and Allah. This distance from the divine, a result of living in sin, strips the soul of peace and contentment. The light of faith dims, and a sense of spiritual emptiness takes hold. The emotional turmoil that follows is equally devastating. Living in a constant state of sin breeds anxiety, fear, and insecurity. These emotions seep into every aspect of life, especially marriage. A union born from Zena is often devoid of barakah blessings, as the foundation is tainted by disobedience to Allah. The peace and tranquility that should accompany a marriage are replaced by strife and mistrust. Without sincere repentance and a return to the path of righteousness, the marriage may struggle to find harmony and purpose. The blessings that Allah bestows on a halal union remain elusive, leaving the couple trapped in a cycle of spiritual and emotional despair. True fulfillment in marriage comes only when it is rooted in faith, obedience, and the pursuit of Allah's pleasure. 3. Family and social stigma: the unseen burden. Couples who engage in Zena fornication or adultery before marriage often find themselves carrying a heavy burden of family and social stigma. What might begin as a private affair soon becomes a source of public scrutiny and judgment. In many cultures, family honor and societal expectations hold significant weight, and the revelation of Zena can lead to deep shame and rejection. Parents and relatives, feeling betrayed or dishonored, may distance themselves from the couple, causing a rift that strains family bonds. The couple may face harsh criticism, accusations, and even exclusion from family gatherings, leaving them isolated at a time when they need support the most. This rejection can create a hostile environment for the marriage, where the couple feels constantly judged, not just by their family but by the broader community as well. The social stigma doesn't end with the wedding day. Rumors and whispers may follow the couple, casting a shadow over their relationship. This ongoing judgment can lead to feelings of inadequacy, guilt, and resentment, eroding the trust and love that should be the foundation of a marriage. A relationship born from secrecy and sin often struggles to find peace, as the weight of family and social expectations adds to the already fragile foundation. 4. Lack of genuine commitment, a flawed start. Relationships that begin with Zina fornication or adultery often lack the genuine commitment and respect essential for building a strong marriage. When the foundation of a relationship is rooted in disobedience to moral and spiritual values, the integrity of the bond is compromised from the outset. Without the framework of a committed, respectful, and lawful relationship, the couple may struggle to foster the deep connection necessary for a lasting union. In such relationships, the focus may initially be on physical attraction or the thrill of secrecy, rather than on building a future together grounded in mutual respect and shared values. As a result, the relationship may lack the sincere commitment that is crucial for overcoming the inevitable challenges of marriage. When difficulties arise, the couple may find themselves ill-equipped to navigate them, leading to frequent conflicts and instability. Without a solid foundation of trust and respect, the marriage becomes vulnerable to misunderstandings, resentment, and a lack of communication. The absence of true commitment can lead to a cycle of dissatisfaction and disappointment, where both partners feel unfulfilled and disconnected. A marriage built on such a flawed start often struggles to endure, as it lacks the core elements that sustain a loving, respectful, and enduring partnership. 5. Future generations, the impact on children. Children born from marriages that began with Zina fornication or adultery may inherit a complex legacy of emotional and psychological challenges. The consequences of their parents' choices can ripple through their lives, creating identity issues and strained family dynamics that are difficult to navigate. From a young age, these children might sense the tension or stigma that surrounds their family, leading to feelings of confusion or alienation. In communities where family honor and reputation are highly valued, these children may feel the weight of their parents' past, even if it is unspoken. The knowledge that their parents' relationship was born in sin can create a sense of shame or insecurity, making it difficult for them to form a positive self-identity. This burden may also lead to strained relationships with extended family members, who may harbor resentment or judgment, further isolating the child. Psychologically, the awareness of their parents' past can lead to trust issues, fear of abandonment, or a distorted view of relationships. They might struggle with questions about their own worth or legitimacy, which can impact their self-esteem in future relationships. The legacy of Zina not only affects the couple but extends to their children, who must grapple with the consequences of choices they did not make, often leading to a cycle of emotional turmoil and fractured family bonds. Conclusion. As we wrap up our discussion on the problems in a Zina marriage, it's clear that these relationships face a multitude of significant challenges, from eroded trust and spiritual disconnection to the societal stigma and potential impact on future generations. The consequences are far-reaching and profound. A Zina marriage often starts on a shaky foundation, and the issues we've explored today underscore the importance of adhering to Islamic principles and values when building a relationship. The impact of engaging in such relationships extends beyond the couple, affecting families, communities, and the spiritual well-being of everyone involved. It's essential for us to recognize these challenges and strive to make choices that align with our faith and values. By understanding these issues, we can work towards healthier, more fulfilling relationships and contribute positively to our communities. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on important topics like this. And if you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay mindful and stay blessed.